What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre Black Digital, and today what we're going to talk about is how to make money as a teenager online. And I'm going to tell you guys 5 simple ways that you guys can make money online starting today. Fast, simple, and easy. All you have to do is stay to the end of this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But for our number one choice today for the top ways to make money as a teenager online is going to be playing video games. As you know, a lot of people are making millions of dollars playing video games, making streams, making Twitch accounts, and getting paid to play video games. But a simple way for you to get started today is just by going to games.skills.com, where it allows you to get paid to play some of the video games that they have on their website. The good thing about it is you can play from your phone or a computer. Number two, the simple way to make money as a teenager is by taking photos and selling them. This is the easy way you can make money as a teen with no experience, and you can simply just take pictures with your cell phone and sell them on many sites. But one app that I recommend to go to get started is Fope. If you go to your app store and you download Fope, they'll allow you to take pictures and sell them online for money. Number three, one of the best and easiest ways to start making a passive income that you get paid from every single month, year after year after year, is by creating a YouTube channel. Simply just what I'm doing. Make a YouTube channel and solve people's problems. Give them the solution to their problems. Give them the solution to what they're looking for. YouTube is the second largest search engine right behind Google, where people come to search for stuff of how to do stuff, what to buy, product reviews, and stuff like that. So a simple way you can start making some passive income and monetize your channel is by creating how-to videos. Number four is going to be drop shipping. Drop shipping is basically an online e-commerce store where you're the middleman. You get a product for low from like AliExpress or Alibaba, and you sell it for high on your personal Shopify store for a profit. And it's simple to get started. But drop shipping is just a fulfillment method where the store doesn't actually keep the product that it sells in stock. Instead, the store purchases the item from a third-party supplier and has it shipped directly to the customer. And as a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. So by you starting a drop shipping store, you don't have to handle any of the product. You don't have to worry about a warehouse or where to store your product. You can just buy it from the supplier and ship it to your customer. But the biggest difference between drop shipping and a standard retail model like malls and Walmarts and stuff like that is that they selling merch isn't like a stock or like inventory. Instead, like the seller purchases the inventory and as needed from the third party supplier. So that being said, they don't have, like I said, you don't have to keep any stock. You don't have to buy a warehouse or store any of your inventory. You can simply just buy it from the third party supplier, Alibaba, AliExpress, and get started. Number five is going to be affiliate marketing. It's the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's product. This affiliate simply searches for a product that they enjoy, that they're into, they have interest in, and then they promote the product to earn a piece of the profit that company or business sells for. And simply all you have to do is share your affiliate link, create a website where you can put your affiliate link, create a blog answering questions to, like I said, people's problems and give them the solution, and drop your affiliate link and earn money from it. But these are going to be my top 5 ways to make money as a teenager. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you go down to the description, I have a link where it shares where you can actually start making some money online.